Yeah, would you take this camera?
And do what?
Point it at the trailer and it's movie mode now.
Okay. What was that? Still fives?
I get nothing. There's no map for this, so I'm just hitting the space bar.
Okay.
I can't even see the sky.
Well, I could trade off with you if you like. You should see some of it. Looks like you're still in the fives. Oh, that was a 10. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, sounds like something we would do.
Okay, back in the fives. That might have been the finale.
That was nice.
Slow down. That was those fives mashed together, right? I think what more. Two more of them. There. Oh, Christ, that was a 10.
Are you watching the pictures as they go up?
I'm just watching the mortars. Do you want me to follow them?
Yeah, if you want to.
I think so.
Oh boy. That must have been a 10 too.
You want to hit some baseball for minutes?
Yes. God damn it.
Whoa.
You just missed the finale. Okay.
No, go for it.
What's spacebar?
Spacebar.
Spacebar.
Again.
God damn it.
I'm right behind you. Didn't want to get the barge again.
That's the lamp black.
right, man?
Yeah.
We lost all the finale, right?
No, not all of it. It just moved partway through the show.
I don't know how long any of this. That must have been nice.
This the last queue is at 33 minutes, so half of them is still left. They're equally spaced throughout the show.
Good, I didn't know that.
Doing good. That was 12. Whoa, look at that, all the water. Did you see it on the water? No. The sparks came down and they exploded when they hit the water.
Nice.
Great spots?
Let me see a couple of them.
Yeah. After the show. There you are.
Are you going up following them?
How long till the finale?
We're not sure there is one.
Oh.
we're a little slightly more than halfway through it, but we're not sure what's actually left.
Ah.
Sure what? We don't know what's left. Okay. Lower down. All right.
No, right? Baseball is baseball.
Here, you want to take it, Dan? Want to watch this? And shoot it. Huge. Here. Why don't you go get out there and watch? I'll shoot it.
Thank you.
Good.
I made a point not to say anything. I just wanted to get this.
If you want to simulate the finale and start it, speed it up a bit, you can.
What, now?
Yeah, might as well. What time is it?
24, it says on here.
What's the time?
24:40:00.
What time does the clock say in the corner?
Down here, 11:21.
Cool.
Right. We're a little faster, right?
Yeah. We'll aim for a 25-minute trip. That's it? All right. Woo! Woo!
That look like a finale?
That looks like a finale.
I gotta make sure everybody stays back.
Power down.
Okay, everybody stay back now.
Okay.
Still don't. Everybody, keep your places back here.
Was that Amanda?
No, just rest for a half an hour.
We don't have to hide, but I mean, just don't go up there.
Happy 4th of July, 2013.
It sounded like it was.
What does it look like?